Stability first, fixing incidents fast. When incidents spiral out of control, stability is the first casualty. Critical outages wait in line behind minor tickets. Stakeholders are left in the dark, and business grinds to a halt. This is where the fixer goes to work. We don't just prioritize incidents, we restore order. From major incident response to smarter categorization to rapid escalation, we focus on what matters most. Our experts embed with your teams. We use your tools. We bring proven playbooks, automation, and clear governance that get incidents under control fast. Because when incidents are fixed quickly, confidence returns, SLAs are met, teams can breathe, and the business moves forward. Pink Elephant South Africa, the fixer, restoring stability, fixing what matters, fast.